Hello, good morning all. So let us move forward for the next unit of grammar. So in the previous grammar class, we have learnt about the dialogue, that is formation of dialogue, which is being asked for 4 marks. And as I told you already, they are going to give you the dialogues in different following manner. It means for what, from which point of view. So we are acquainted with one of the examples, and now how come they are going to ask? So dear students, it is being asked or it will be asked on different kinds of topic. Maybe a conversation with a friend, or a conversation or having a conversation, or introducing a friend, greeting, whatsoever. The thing what you have to keep in mind is that you have to be firm in doing so, because it will be asked for 1 mark. So in today's topic, we are going to learn a new unit of grammar, which carries 4 marks, where you have to follow certain rules and regulations. So of course, you need to follow always certain rules and regulations. But here, when we are going to do this unit of grammar, you have to keep in mind some of the major or grave points what I will be saying. So it is question number 31. Question number 31 is in your question paper. Now what is the topic? What will be the topic? The topic is note making. What is note making? Making or printing of notes. Am I right? Note making, in sense making or printing of notes? Not at all. Then what it is? Notes making or note making. Notes making. Note making or notes making. So whatsoever. What is this part? In what way they are going to give? You are now in second year PUC is listening to the new topic. What is this note making? What may be there? What is that? Is it so hard to understand, or it is so difficult that we can't do? Nothing like that, students. So overall intention is that enhancement of vocabulary as well as the scoring of the marks. So now for note making, they are going to give one simple passage, unfamiliar. I am repeating, unfamiliar. They are going to give one simple unfamiliar topic, what you have to read properly. Then what you will be doing is, then you are going to fill. In what way it is to be filled? Are they going to ask you in the form of fill up the blanks? Are they going to ask you in the form of one word answers, or what so? So that is the point here. The thing is, when they are going to give you the extract or the passage that is unfamiliar, so below that the question is given, below that some rectangular boxes will be given. Some boxes, okay, let us not discuss whether rectangular, triangular, whatsoever it is. The boxes will be given, and what you will be doing is, you are going to fill the box. And for this, you need not, when doing in the test or QT, UT, MT or whatsoever T, or preparatory or annual exam, whatsoever, when you are going to do this unit of grammar, you are going to draw the boxes with the pencil and you are going to write with pen. So again I repeat, you have to draw the boxes with the pen, and extremely sorry, you have to draw that with pencil and you have to fill with pen. So right, let us not get into confusion. So I was there. So now dear students, you may be thinking we should copy the passage given in the question paper. Not at all. Not at all. If you are going to copy the question or the extract given in the question paper, you are making or you are wasting the time. You are consuming, because for language you need to write the descriptive answers which will take a time. So you may consume lot of time to that, and if you are utilizing that precious time even for this, you may not get time to write to complete the other exercises that are given or the other questions that are being asked. So I kindly or sincerely advise you not to write or copy that extract in your answer booklet. Is that clear? Yes. So now boxes will be given in any form, and coming to the boxes, some 8 dashes will be given. So whatsoever may be the shape of the box, like this, and again then drawing, then again like this, or again so whatsoever. So here again like this, then again you may get it like this. So whatever the structure is, you need not bother about the structure, but whatever the structure given, it should be drawn in the same manner. Unfortunately, you have failed to draw the boxes and you are directly writing the answer, so no issue. You can, but don't commit always. So it is better you follow the rules I told you. It is better you follow the rules. If you are unfortunately out of hurry, you don't have time, but still you will have to complete the given question. So at that time, in that juncture, what you are going to do is, you are going to write the answers directly out of I told, not purposely. So better you follow the rules. I repeat again. So now come to the point. So here, if they have marked 1 and marked 2 and marked 3, so 3 is here, marked 3 like this, and 4, 5, 6, 7, so 8 will be given. So somewhere here, again we are having a dash like this, 8 is given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sometimes you are going to have 9 boxes also, 10 also, 11 also. So don't get confused. You will have to fill only the 8 boxes, because each box carries half a mark. So half of 8 is 4. Okay, 8 into half is equal to 4. Now what you will be doing is, you are going to draw the boxes. Now I was telling you, suppose in case if they have given 9 boxes or 10 boxes or 11 boxes, so don't get tensed. I know you won't get tensed, you are very strong rather. So here what you have to do is, you have to fill those empty boxes which are given. So how about the 9th or 11 or 10 boxes? So they will be filled already. They will be filled already. If not filled, leave it like that only. If numbered, if it is numbered like this, if numbered, then only go ahead. So okay. Now let us read the question. So now dear students, it is question number 31, and the topic is note making or notes making. A passage will be given, and in the given passage, below that a boxes will be given. What you will be doing is, you are going to draw those boxes in your answer booklet, only the boxes. I repeat, only the boxes with pencil, fill with pen. If we are going to fill with pencil, are we going to lose something? I am not going to lose anything. So it is you who may lose. Because if the pencil is lightly written, you have filled, and as the paper gets folded, so it is closed, and paper upon paper, paper upon paper, it is piled. In that, you may be having the chances of getting the answers erased, or it may appear to be light. So where the evaluator may mistake, so no evaluator is going to do like that. Who knows, sometimes possibilities are there. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Okay. So if it happens, you have written, but it got erased, so you may not get the marks. So that only you draw little bit thick with pencil and fill with pen. So now let us come to the passage. So one example I am going to do here for you. The question is written like this. Read the following passage and make notes by drawing and filling the boxes given below. So here it is stressed. What is stressed here? Read the following passage and make notes. Okay, what notes you will have to do? Whatever the boxes that are given, and in that the hint to which it is given, so that you will have to write the answer. So I will read, make notes. It is not given like this. I will read the question. Read the following passage. Read the following passage and make notes. And make notes. And make notes. See, now here let us read the following passage and make notes. Let us leave here. Filling the boxes given below. Given below. Boxes given below. So now 8 into half 4. Now I have left a gap here and here. The question is not given like this. Read the following passage and make notes. Fill in the boxes given below. It is not given like this, but I have written. So why? The stress is important there. So what kind of stress here? Passage and make notes by drawing. See, by drawing a particular thing, by drawing and filling the boxes given below. So this is the question to you. Understand? So if we are going to skip that by drawing, and if we are going to skip that, it doesn't matter. You are going to write directly. You are going to write in direct form. But here, when it is stressed, notes by drawing, it means compulsory that you will have to draw the boxes. If it is not compulsory, then it is okay. So unfortunately, if you have forgotten out of tension or something, it is excusable, not doing purposely. So henceforth, I again bring your concentration towards the question. Read the following passage and make notes by drawing and fill in the boxes given below. So now I am going to read the passage to you. Paradise Lost is an epic poem in blank verse by the 17th century English poet John Milton. The first version, published in 1667, consisted of 10 books with over 10,000 lines of verse. A second edition followed in 1674, arranged into 12 books with minor revisions throughout and a note on the versification. It is considered by critics to be Milton's major work and helped solidify his reputation as one of the greatest English poets of his time. So this is one given. So now let us draw the box. See how it is given like this. One box and another is drawn here. You have to draw in the same manner as it will be given. So now we will have to draw in the middle. Of course, you can line if you want like this. You can join and do like that. Then again, one is done here. The other one is done like this. You may line sometimes or sometimes it will not be given. Though if it is not given, you can do that. You can line so that you will have the correct structure. So again, it is given here again, one more box. And further again, one more box is given. 6, 7. So one more is given. 8, 7, and one more here is given and 8. So now it is numbered 1, then 2, then 3. However manner, in whatsoever manner it will be given, you need not get confused. 4, then 5, then 6, then 7 and 8. So now what is written? First version published in. The hint is given. First version. Version published. First version published in. So this is the hint given. Now and. So write in. So you can write like this and here. You can write like this and this is one here. Then 1, 2, 3, then 4, consistent. Consistent. So in the middle, it is given and paradise lost. Paradise lost. So now second one and in, then second version published in. Second version published in. Published in. You can fill the dash. Then considered by critics. Fifth one is with. Considered by critics is 8th one, arranged issue. Here arrange into. Now considered by critics. Considered by critics. So read the following passage and make notes by drawing and fill in the boxes given below. version. So okay, now if we are going to write, so let us just have a glance at this today, and in the next class let us complete blanks in the next class. So here, dear students, what I tell you is, you need not copy that given extract in your answer booklet. What you are going to do, you are going to draw those boxes with the pencil and you are going to fill with pen. So the boxes given may be given in any form. So let us conclude today's class here, and let us continue with the same the next day. Till then, take care and be safe.